The evolutionary advantage of carb-efficient digestion is one of those quietly brilliant features that humans share with omnivorous animals, and it's key to understanding why carbohydrates have been central to our survival and longevity. From an evolutionary perspective, humans didn't survive by relying solely on protein or fat. Those macronutrients are harder to access quickly and less predictable in nature. Carbohydrates, by contrast, were abundant, seasonally reliable, and, crucially, easy for the body to digest and convert into usable energy. The human digestive system reflects this history. We produce ample amylase enzymes in saliva and the pancreas, breaking down starch into glucose almost immediately upon consumption. In short, our bodies are built to handle carbs efficiently, and this trait has been a major survival advantage for our omnivorous ancestors. Omnivorous animals, from bears to primates, show similar patterns. They thrive on diets that include carbohydrate-rich fruits, tubers, and grains, and their digestive systems are optimized for rapid absorption. This efficiency ensures that energy is available quickly for movement, foraging, escaping predators, and other essential survival tasks. For humans, carb-efficient digestion meant that early foragers could maintain the high energy demands of long-distance hunting and gathering without exhausting themselves or depleting vital protein reserves. In evolutionary terms, being able to convert carbs into usable energy rapidly was like having a metabolic superpower, a tool that allowed humans to explore, innovate, and ultimately dominate diverse ecosystems. This efficiency also has modern implications for nutrition strategies. Quick carbohydrate absorption ensures that both the brain and muscles receive energy rapidly, supporting mental clarity, physical performance, and overall metabolic balance. It reduces reliance on protein and fat as emergency energy sources, allowing these macronutrients to focus on their primary functions: tissue repair, hormone production, and long-term energy storage. Essentially, carb-efficient digestion is a way of maximizing energy economy. The body gets what it needs with minimal metabolic stress, which in turn supports longevity and overall health. The evolutionary perspective also explains why completely eliminating carbohydrates can backfire. Our systems have been fine-tuned over millennia to rely on carbohydrates as a primary fuel source. Denying the body this fast, reliable energy is akin to asking a high-performance engine to run exclusively on backup reserves. It's possible, but efficiency drops, stress rises, and long-term performance suffers. Balanced carbohydrate intake aligns with how our bodies evolved to function, ensuring both immediate energy and long-term metabolic stability. Interestingly, this evolutionary adaptation also sheds light on why whole, fiber-rich carbohydrates are particularly beneficial. Early humans consumed carbs in unrefined forms: roots, tubers, fruits, and grains, not processed, refined versions. These complex carbs provided not only glucose but also fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients, which supported gut health, immune function, and reduced oxidative stress. Our bodies are designed to handle these foods efficiently, providing sustained energy while simultaneously promoting resilience and longevity. The humorous side of this evolutionary story is imagining modern humans acting as if carb digestion is some recent invention, spurning rice, pasta, and potatoes as if our bodies weren't built to thrive on them. In reality, carb-efficient digestion has been a cornerstone of survival for millions of years. Carbs aren't just convenient, they're deeply embedded in our biology, a metabolic shortcut that has allowed humans to explore, innovate, and live longer. In short, humans' ability to quickly absorb carbohydrates is a shared evolutionary trait with other omnivores and a fundamental reason why carbohydrates should remain central to dietary strategies. This efficiency supports brain and muscle function, preserves protein and fat for their specialized roles, and aligns perfectly with the way our bodies evolved to thrive. Ignoring this advantage is like refusing to use a perfectly tuned tool. It's inefficient, unnecessary, and potentially costly over the long run.